Kublai phi baro shaka thup khubor jungi ke dan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san mentaka singi kilong. Rai ka kunhun Menteri Kabinet bantay ka skul hikay sumar nongpang Hawas Garo Hills. Panpor ki CEM ban pentri kam ya ka CRTC bat CPC. Bante la kam ya ki kam snew la pendai CCTV hayaudo. Ban mi madan uba bat scam halumpung election hamau senra. Tementang ne phaj ki khubor ki bakham bania. Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma ulaya thuba ka kunhun Menteri Kabinet ka Sarkar Jylla haka jingalang ka balalong haka lai phautri kunailar kala shim artli ki rai kita kilong bante ka school ajing hikai ki samla ban sumar ki nongpang haki jing pentebet babonjat medical skill huna hub Hawas Garo Hills district ka jinglot bante bat ban penbyang ya ka school kan kenjo asya ka shispa san phuwe klur tengka na kan treka Ministry of Minority Affairs jang ka Sarkar India kanika school kan ai ka jing hikai pentebet iki samla kanika than ban sumar iki nongpang baharukom.
Medical skill for paramedical staff, a large scale skill center would be set up in West Garo Hills district, and the reason West Garo Hills was selected was because the Minority Affairs, which is funding this particular Hunar Hub, only West Garo Hills was the eligible district to get funds under Minority Affairs that time. From 2022, of course, that has changed, and now all districts can get funds for Minority Affairs. So for this particular project, which was initiated in 2020, we had proposed 282 crores for this, but after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal, the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95. And out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the government of Meghalaya, and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by government of India.
Halor ka phang ban pentre kam no ya ka jing penyaklat ya ka yeng bishar judiciary nagi kam senshar khadar executive Menteri Rangba ulaong ba kanumdan kanu ka jing ya tengkho bat ki board jing ki autonomous district council namari ki board ki ikhtiar ka Jylla la ai board ka riti senshar ka ri India katba ya ki district council la ai board ka 6th schedule jong ka ju ka riti senshar hala ka jong ka phang
came into being. And the fact that the judicial magistrates today are taking up cases, they have to be conferred power under some provisions. 1937 provisions were specific to the DCs, because that time in 37 they were only deputy commissioners. So the powers were conferred to the administrative, to the executive side, and there was no judiciary at that point in time. So hence the judicial magistrates will also have to draw powers from certain provisions in the constitution, and hence it is being suggested that it should be drawn from para 5. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner. That's the main purpose. But as I said, second part is there is no intention to dilute the powers of the district council, and the provisions and the powers of the district council are clearly mentioned in the constitution and the 6th schedule. So there is no question of in any way diluting those powers.
Kilai tili ki autonomous district council ki badan hakani ka Jylla kila panpor ban pentre kam ya ka hukum jaka Sarkar Jylla ban phya ya ka judiciary na ka executive kumbalong menta ki yeng ka shari ka district council ki bishar bat ki rai ki mukadduma ki bahap hapo ka jing pe jing khmi jangki kilai ngut ki CEM ki laong ba lada pentre kam ya ka hukum ki dan ka jing sir bala abandu no ya ka bor ka ikhtiar jaka court ka district council Kilapan por arsngi ban aila di kinong ya saat an bat ki MDC bakin ya peliu jingmut halor kani kakam.
Bakum juru haki subdivisional level. Di henry kumbalang mentagi ni kim don bor. Di ki kelampat confer di ki ya kata ka power bakin trial ki case. Di nak kata ka daw nak kalian government ka kwa ba kini ki court ki bala establishment ta apo ki district bat kum juru ki subdivision bakin trekam no. Kenapa kan long kacing mentoi nak kebantai joki pai ba kai ka ba usia mentau la assure ni kalong ba ki code ki jungi joki district code joki district council code ni kapor ke bangidon kan nong kata kanum dan kanunu kacing kena ya ki district council code ki jungi ki bangidon wala ada kadai ki village code wala kadai ya ka ya ka additional subordinate ko denrai habaya kran pat habaya dai bat ka ai ngi sutu ba kan nu notification ka ban peni na sarkar kalong very sensitive ngi hapan pet benia ha na kata kata ngi kam sim ko ngo mentas ngi bangi ong ban ai por biang ngi kumba asli ini Shillong dan sahabat MDC baru hanya discuss dengan ini dekat bagai legal team gejungi pada hadir bagi lasyai minsa ai ke popsa
Usiem ka hima melim aina manik siem rengkat bar ka dorbar kila rai ban wanra ka jingsngan ka sup kasan bar ka jingyat be ya renti ka di ka thien ka kit ka ba bat ka let ka wan jiki pat ba hayudo ka yau ba he tam ha ka jilla baro ka we da ka ba pendat saudong kani ka yau da ki closed circuit TV CCTV camera Langba kini ki kamera ki pulit siem na office kabaron hayaudo kin yo ilot iki pat ba iki dukan jongki hakilat ki dong jong kani kayo. Kini ki kamera kin wanra ya ka jingsngan ki pat ba na ki kam sniu ki bala jellei hakani kayo kum ki kam tu kam them ka jing klopla ka jing tarek ti ki kin thei kana ka jing ya sho ya dat bat ya ka jing bu a tanglang. Uba Tito Starwell Khan UCEM ubala senran daga Kongres Karpuri EM pendroi ki yogi hat bat kiwe ki EM ula play pat ba eka jing trekam jogini ki CCTV camera haka alphoterek unailar hayaudo upa EM ainam ula pediang sngau bhai kini ki he ki han jaga KHADC haka jing senran ki menteri kahima ki rekmat jong ki seng nongshong basa bat ki pat berlien ki menteri kahima melim kila pelat pat baru eka tendong pensawasur hayau baro kawe Labu ia umau nong rim bante ka yau delang bathamai hakani kasni.
Yang ini ka sound system lu kemar wajah yang poyo du ni laku ka jing try kini ki sni akabai officer in charge ngi yong ba kalai rap sibon ba pen banai ge ke ba ja ke ba dalkam poyo du om aku maki pual ki bala dei no namar ba Bun sin ni di puan di kepala lain no apa barang-barang wan committee sin dulu bun sin isu ai betang nak notice dan papai sinong songyo dan papai
tadi mai berapa kepala syukia ama bangi kita pakai sebab ba asakan thong kayu do kejungi kalong tadi kayu ka ba bun sang kita ki betul mau betin dia ngangit ba lima ini CCTV ngila dan detect ban nila banong ban lese ban penduna yang kita kiba kelopla lese kibale kita mi bamman ban kaliarap sipon yang kinuki crimes kiba lese kiba jahayo
Kalier krut election 2000 arpholai kelanang penjur kajing password hakeleng ki hindriu pautili ki constituency jang ka Jilla Meghalaya hakaba kirang ba hakadur berkarong lama ba pher kila mi madan hakini ki benai balala Menta, namau senram konstituensi lami madan sa uba bat scam marbanyang uwe nikirang ba ubala mi madan election teng hakisnam balala. Uni urang ba ulapan benapat ba hakalai pauteri unailar ba ulami no nakaseng National People's Party NPP ba dia ka jing thmu jong u banya kun persya ya uba HM Shangpliang haka election 2000 arphulai. Kat ba ya ka jingkli nakanu ka party ni ka seng san hima uthmu banong ukertong hamadan election uloong ba umpat la ban rai henrei untur syakanu kanu ka seng bagi pat nong kersan ki betha ya uban ngam kajing ajing mut ban karai uba bon balong kan lam lenti u ha kajing thmu jung u ban syakri ki pat ba ka mausen ram constituency
kalau ni last election ka bang ila dat ni don haka parti haka ban sidini mele kam tu ba PNC kajing ram jung ka general election tingla kwa no ba ni haban job jaga MDC hatu ko por ba PNC mga ba alved nilai no saka NPP tengai ledir nilai trisiton na untaban penjob ya upa alved sitting MDC nita ba ruba pensingan ru yale ano na ko pintho te mu ki job praru te ga de ga jing trisiton jong ni ba ko na penjob yo ko me kalong bang ni kredi go shathe matrai ba alved ni te dang kena kejing trejung pas susta te dang bunyi ko ri nama ba haka politics dan kami ko dia belakang major belakang isu apa te ngambil ni kata yang lain tendai kalong ba ni ko ari syakri ko kamba ya ko konstruksi
Mari kita Khubor ngilapoi syakabakun tarhadu benginde syambiang kublai shibun.